Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an extra strength hair oil for intense hair growth. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this hair oil is going to be a 1/4 cup of turmeric powder. Turmeric ensures a healthy scalp through its anti-inflammatory properties. This spice is gentle and makes for a great cleanser. It soothes the scalp and gets rid of buildup that blocks your hair follicles. The second ingredient is going to be a 1/4 cup of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper helps to improve the glossiness and the fullness of your hair, as well as promote hair growth. Cayenne pepper helps to improve blood circulation and nourishes the scalp. The third ingredient is going to be 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. If you don't have cinnamon powder, you can use 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon is able to help remove buildup from the scalp, allowing for healthier follicles that in turn promote better hair growth. Cinnamon also helps encourage healthy hair growth by causing a tingling sensation, which is thought to draw more rushing blood to the scalp for stimulation. So now I'm just going to take all 3 of these powders and place them into a mason jar. Now I'm just going to fill up the mason jar with a carrier oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choosing. I'm going to be using about a cup of sunflower oil. So now I'm just going to place the mason jar into a pot of boiling water. I have my stove set in between medium to low heat. If you choose not to do this method, you can also use a crock pot, or if you don't want to use heat at all, you can place the mason jar into a cabinet and you can leave the oil in the cabinet for about 2 weeks. After 2.5 hours, I removed the mason jar from the heat and I allowed the oil to cool down. And now I'm just going to strain the oil using a cheesecloth. With this oil, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, a scalp oil, and you can also add a few tablespoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner. As a scalp oil, you can use this oil daily or at least 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure you apply it to your roots and massage it into your scalp. Also, you can add your favorite essential oils to the oil as well. The hot oil treatment, apply it from root to ends, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then wash out with your favorite shampoo. Also, you can use this oil as an overnight treatment. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.